Grace Academy Secondary School Shillong, formerly known as Step by Step School, held its annual concert at the Soso Tham Auditorium on 23rd September 2022. The MLA of Laitumkrah, Ampareen Lyngdoh, graced the occasion as chief guest, while the MDC of Malki-Nongthymmai, Fantin J Lakadong, attended the event as guest of honor. Former DGP of Meghalaya, Richmond Marbaniang, was the special invitee to the function. Others present included Principal of Grace Academy Secondary School Shillong, Andromeda Myrthong, other invitees, teachers, parents and students of the school. Addressing the gathering, Ampareen Lyngdoh lauded the efforts of the principal of the school, who has been working hard towards catering to educational needs of students from across strata of society. At the same time, Lyngdoh, while referring to the new education policy, lamented the fact that talented students and young people do not have a proper platform to showcase their talent and have therefore become victims of frustration.
Ma'am Andrew, you have embarked upon a very important assignment, and I'm sure that there will be many ups and downs in your efforts to educate the people of Shillong City. I truly wish you well, and in whatever possible way, I give you my support. And as your school grows from strength to strength in the coming years, I look forward to more and more students from all strata of life getting this great opportunity of receiving the education that they deserve.